Hello guys, so I will be showing you to solve this 2x2 Rubik's Cube today, the beginner's method, and when we get to the yellow side I will explain something. So, first of all, what you want to do is you want to solve the white side. So a white side, you can just, so what you do, you just get the 3 here. So get 3, then whatever hand you are, left you could, for right you do that, for left you would do it there, and the white one there, and then you do that, you do R, then you do U, then R perm, then U perm. So R, U, R perm, U perm, R, U, R perm, U perm, and then so you see how it goes there. I would just put it along once more, then turn this up, then it's there, so I just do it twice, boom, it's solved. Now if we wanna get the first layer, so this is already solved, so you would do it at the solve one at the top. Any colour, doesn't matter. So you do. So what you do is you do R, B perm, R, F2, R perm, B, R, F2, R2. And then it should be solved. And if you didn't have a side already solved, then you do it twice or as many times as it takes to get the first layer. Now, you've got cases here, right? So, let me just get my Rubik's Cube thing. Here we go. Right, so, we've got the cases here. So, whichever case you have. So case 1 would be algorithm 2, so just let you see the moves. And then case 2 would be algorithm 3. Case 3 would be algorithm 2, then algorithm 2 again. Case 4 would be algorithm 2, U perm, then algorithm 2. Case 5 would be algorithm 2, U2, and algorithm 3. Then case 6 would be algorithm 2, U, then algorithm 3. Then case 7, by the way they're all shown up here, the cases. And then case 7 would be algorithm 2, U perm, then algorithm 3. So let me just put this back real quick. There we go. So yeah, and now to solve the set, well, first of all we need to solve this side. So as you may have seen, I had case 6, so algorithm 2, then for case 6 you do U, and algorithm 3. Boom, it's solved. Now, we go find the blue side, then we go R, B perm, R, F2, R perm, B, R, F2, R2. Now, we do that until the blue side is solved. So, I'll just get on to when it's solved. Sorry about that. Now once the cube is solved, yeah, you've solved the cube. Then I'll also show you another thing. So, just do this, and it's not mixing it up, I promise you. It's just making you solve it again. And also you can do this. I already solved that, and let's do it again. Boom. Okay, so yeah, that's all guys. Yeah, see you later. So yeah, bye bye.